Everyone, in this video, I'm just going to go over everything that ReSpark has to offer to you. Someone who might already have a business, but you're struggling to get it off the ground, or you're looking to start a business, but you've never done this before. So you want that support of an award-winning marketing agency to make all the ads and run the ads for you and provide you the instruction and the mentorship so that you can do yourself. We do all of that. And specifically, ReSpark works with non-legacy companies. So if you already are bringing a e-commerce brand to us, then it needs to be spending less than 10K a month in advertising. If you're spending more than that, then we're going to refer you to our main marketing branch. So here, I'm just going to go over all of the different things that we have to offer, what you can expect, how much you can expect to pay, when you can expect to start getting sales and start making returns. All of that stuff we're going to jump right into. So the first thing, this How It Works tab, it's really helpful. Obviously, you have this video here. There's a lot of information. I'm just going to summarize this really quickly. First of all of the stores that we build, and I'll get into the stores, but if you want to see them, they're under the pre-built tab. But all of the stores that we build are built using custom-made products. So these products are sourced from suppliers. They can be custom branded. They can even be customized even more depending on the niche that we get into. So all of the stores are built, suppliers are already set, and you can custom brand the stores. And that's important. So even if you are drop shipping, you can still custom brand the product as well. So obviously that's important to stand out from the crowd, make your brand look absolutely beautiful and legit. And as we get into a few store examples that we've built, that's exactly what we're trying to get to. So this is one example. These are sunglasses that we were able to custom brand. We did this product photography, and we do this for you as well. And it comes with all of our plans. So we do product photography, we do the entire web design with models, and we create videos for you as well with models, so that when we start doing these ads, and again, we're doing the ads for you, when we start creating ads, we can have video ads go out that drive a lot more when it comes to conversions. So we do product photography, we do the entire website design for you, and we do the ads for you as well. And like I said, you can custom brand the products if you wanted to do so. But the process is very simple. First of all, you either bring your own business that you've tried to work on, but it wasn't doing too well. If you do this option, then we're going to kind of audit your business, break it down, tell you exactly what you need to change, what needs to be done. And if you do choose to start with us, then we're going to do all of the changes that we refer to you. Otherwise, you can just get a pre-built business, and I'll get into those in just a second. So these are businesses that we've built, customized. We've got all the suppliers set up, and we are ready to take these niches to the moon. So if they're available, get on it, because oftentimes they're sold out. Let me just check if we have any. So we have a couple actually. Nice. So only these two are sold right now. They're going to be removed soon. But get on these. If you can find a pre-built available, it's definitely a store that is a safe bet, because we built it in our mind, knowing that we're going to be marketing this business as well and generating some sales for it. So, those are very safe bets. But essentially, when you take over the store, all the back-end settings are out of the way. We open up for sales, and this is when we start generating ads. We create creatives, we do sales funnels, email automations. We set all of that groundwork down, and we start, drip marketing a little bit to start getting some sales happening. We're going to start off slow, no matter what the brand is. So if you don't have a big marketing budget, hey, you can even make sales with $0. So if you have no marketing budget, that's fine. Tell your mentor, and we can start actually generating sales for your brand with $0. Now, it is going to take a little bit longer. Obviously, it's going to take a little bit longer to really spike up. But if you even have like $100 for your first month, and I'm laying down actual figures you can start thinking about. So if you have $100 for your first month, that's enough for us to start testing a few ad creatives actually. Because in the first month, the ads aren't optimized, your ads manager isn't going to be optimized. It's going to be the learning phase. There's no reason to dump a lot of money into ads when they're still trying to learn who to show your ads to. So that's why in the beginning, we like doing a little bit of drip marketing. We put in like maybe $20 a week and that's it. So we might not even spend the entire $100 you have for the first month, but that's kind of how we get started. We test different ad creatives and different placements and things like that. Different audiences are tested, and then once we find a winner, once we were seeing this traction happening, we really double down on that audience. We double down on that design, that style, that product maybe, and we push forward that way. But that's all the headache that we take on for you. So that's not something you have to think about too much. But moving down, all the sales, all the services are under one roof. So in the marketing CRO, which you won't really have to worry about, especially in the beginning, we kind of have set design templates for landing pages that we kind of like publish for our businesses that we know work. So these are tried and tested landing pages that we know work really well. In the future, we can really like customize and hone down to maybe get that like extra second or third sale every single day. But in the beginning, it's not really going to be too big of an issue. But also paid ads, of course, and social media posts. We make social media posts for you as well. So each plan comes with a certain number of social media posts, and I'll get into that later. But as far as like expecting a return on investment, generally we can start seeing sales within 1 or 2 weeks of going live. So we do get started ASAP, and we get the sales coming in ASAP as well. And your entire project is going to be managed on the project management board, where you can see on demand what your team is working on, where they are. And you'll get weekly reports as well about your marketing and ads performance. So we kind of break everything down like that. But let's get into pre-built stores. So like I said, these are stores that you can start right away. You can get jump on them. We hide a lot of details, so we don't exactly tell you what products are being sold exactly, because that's something that you're paying for. But all these products can be custom branded if you wanted to. So you can custom branded products. You can customize these entire stores, change the color schemes, or just go for a custom store. So that's another option you have, is just to start a custom store. If none of those options work for you, you can just do a custom store. And the way this works is our mentor is going to reach out to you, and you just tell them, hey, this is a niche that I want to get into. Or if you have no niche in mind and none of the pre-built stores really match your interests, then just tell the mentor, hey, I don't know what niche I want to get into, and we'll actually send you supplier sales data. This will be raw data that will tell you, how much each niche is making, how much product each niche is moving, how much in sales, how much revenue each seller in this niche is doing. And so we'll break it down. You'll be able to see how much each brand is making, how much products are making on Amazon, like specific products you see, how much they're moving each month. So that'll help you make a more informed decision as you move forward. So, we help with the niche selection if you need that. And to get into pricing, we offer 3 different plans for startups. The first plan is $99 per month. This is the most recommended plan as well for most people starting out. This is going to be more than enough for you. We do have the enterprise and the advanced, and the differences are going to be in the content that we are creating. Now, if you're running like a passive business, right, you might be on the startup plan for the first 3 months. Once we start getting a number of consistent sales happening, like you can start consistently expecting a number of sales each week, we can hit that at the 3-month mark, no problem. But after that, if you really want to kind of scale up, you might want to upgrade to the enterprise plan, because that way you can get even more ads out. And that'll kind of bolster your performance, but not like so much where now you have to be like really fully engaged with your business. So this is more like a passive side income that you're trying to set up. 3 months on the startup plan will get you consistent sales, and then you just switch over to the enterprise. If you are looking to turn this into a full-time income, then you're going to want to get into the advanced business at about like the 6-month mark. And this is really going to start bolstering your sales and your performance. You're going to be on deck a lot, because, we're not just going to be selling on your Shopify store, like the pre-built stores. We're going to be selling on like Amazon FBA. We're going to be selling on all kinds of different marketplaces to move as much product as possible. Now, Amazon FBA, you'll literally, it's obviously bulk at that point. So you're making proper sales, you're buying in bulk, and the supplier is going to ship directly to the Amazon FBA warehouse. They do all of the SKUs and the barcodes and stuff for you. And Amazon is going to, scan all of your products in. You're going to be able to see your inventory on your Seller Central dashboard. And, they're going to start shipping products out with the Prime badge as people start buying. We do all the listing for you, by the way. So we create your Amazon storefront. We create your Amazon listings per product. We have in-house SEO experts that can drive traffic to your listing using the right keywords. So, even without paying any kind of Amazon ads or anything like that. But your responsibility is going to be to keep an eye on the inventory. As the inventory gets low, you're going to have to order another bulk purchase and get it shipped to the Amazon FBA warehouse. So that's a more full-time gig that you're getting into. And like you can upgrade and downgrade at any point. Like there's no, if you start on the $99 per month plan, you have to stick to this. You can really move around as you need to. So there's no requirement to stick to one. And there's a few other example stores that we have here. These aren't stores that you can buy. These are just design kind of ideas that you can look at. Different stores that we've designed, different theme sets, and these are all custom made premium themes. So you can look at them, look at the designs and stuff like that. But the stores actually are just right here. So if you did want to get started, you could literally get started today and go with a pre-built store. Finally, we do have resources for you as well. A lot of them, ad account closure support. So this happens a lot to new sellers, and we unlock your accounts ASAP, no problem. We also offer chargeback support, payment providers, and the competition infringement. And this is more specific to Amazon because you might start getting people copying your listing, and we can get every single one of them removed and make sure that no one in the future can make a listing that's like yours as well. So we do all of that for you as well. That's all included in the monthly plan, so you don't need to purchase any of these insurances separately. But of course, you can also book a call if you wanted to. All the dates, all the times are available here, so you can book a call, talk to us, go over your specific goals, go over your specific needs, and we'll be able to help you out, point you in the right direction. But this was the intro video. If you still have any questions, again, you can reach out to us here. You can reach out to us through our live chat or send us an email or book a call, and we're happy to help answer any questions.